Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, jeez. Let me see.
So it's going to blow on your face, that little hole right there.
This hole?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see that. Look at that little sucker.
So,
Yeah.
so probably usually the way that happens is you run into a piece of glass.
Usually what?
You run into a piece of glass or a nail or something.
Yeah.
Where did that other tube go that was in the box?
I don't know. You were holding on to it. Yeah, that's what I think would happen. I think like a nail or a piece of glass or what else? A nail, a piece of glass, what else? A staple or a tack.
You know.
Staple, tack, what else? Nail,
Nails, screws.
Yeah. Glass.
Something like that. So,
Needles. Okay, man. Yeah, this has to happen to me, guys. Welcome to my life. Welcome to my life. Wah. So that's the tire, and we're gonna. Here we go. Gotta learn how to do this. Well, I'm learning how to do. I'm trying. Yep. First, you put it in there. Whoa. So I've got a flat tire twice on my car, twice on the car that I drive. I got a flat tire twice on the car that I drive, and God knows how many times with a bike. God knows how many times with a bike. I would say it's happened probably about 30 times already this year.
Sounds like an exaggeration, but it does happen quite a bit.
Yeah.
This is probably. I feel like I've changed tires probably 5 or 6 times this year.
Yeah, you need to learn how to ride a bike better.
I don't know. I don't know what it is. It's weird.
Right now we're going to blow it up. Yeah, it might be a little bit of exaggeration.
So now I gotta actually let the air out now I think about it, because otherwise it's not going to be able to get past.
It's going to explode.
No, it's not going to be able to get past the brakes, right? Cause
Yeah. Oh. And then we slide it on. What?
Didn't put it in.
That's okay. Before you know it, this tire might explode as well. But let's hope that doesn't happen. So we're going to put it on now.
Alright. I'm going to blow it
Yep, now we're gonna blow it up. Now we're gonna blow it up. This is the kickstand. And I've got chains falling off my bike before as well. Now, we're just blowing up the tire now. Trying to learn why the chains fell off my bike one time I was riding it. Oh, crap. This may have been the problem. Could look at the chain incident. What happened with the chains. Yeah.
Alright, so give that a shot.
Definitely that.
I think that's
I'm gonna go ride my bike.
okay. Good luck.
That's what I wanted to do. Thank you. So that's how you do it. Isn't that easy, guys? I think so.